Here's a step-by-step guide on how to list a product on Amazon India. Step 1. Create an Amazon seller account. Firstly, you need to create an Amazon seller account. Go to the Amazon India website and click on the Sell on Amazon button at the top of the page. Follow the instructions to create your account. Step 2. Choose a product category. Once you have created your seller account, you need to select the product category for the product you want to list. Amazon India has a wide range of product categories such as electronics, apparel, books, etc. Choose the category that best suits your product. Step 3. Enter product details. After selecting the category, you need to provide details about the product you want to list. This includes the product title, description, brand, manufacturer, and any other relevant information. Make sure you provide accurate and detailed information about your product. Step 4. Set the price and shipping details. Next, you need to set the price for your product and provide information about shipping. You can either use Amazon's fulfillment service or handle shipping yourself. If you choose Amazon's fulfillment service, you will need to provide information about the weight and dimensions of the product. Step 5. Upload product images. You need to upload high-quality images of your product. Amazon India has specific guidelines for images such as size, format, and quality. Make sure you follow these guidelines to ensure your images are approved. Step 6. Publish your listing. Once you have entered all the necessary details, review your listing and make sure everything is accurate. Click on the Publish button to list your product on Amazon India. Your product will now be visible to customers on the Amazon India website. Step 7. Manage your listing. After your product is listed, you can manage it by tracking orders, updating product information, and monitoring customer reviews. This will help you improve your product and increase sales. Listing a product on Amazon India requires you to provide accurate and detailed information about your product, set a competitive price, and upload high-quality images. By following these steps, you can successfully list your product on Amazon India and start selling to customers.